All right, Scottie just gave me this weird look, and
Well, he asked me if I was ready to roll, and I looked at him point blank, square in the eyes, and went, "Honey, I'm always ready to roll."
oh girl. All right,
So
Monday morning.
Let me get my light.
Scottie's been on this since 6:02, basically.
Nope. I got here at 5 to 6.
5:50.
I didn't even bother opening up doors until 7.
Yeah.
So it was, 6 o'clock. So I want my 2 minutes, damn it. I want my 2 minutes of fame. Thank you.
I don't know about that's fame.
Well, yeah, this is true.
Infamy.
Is somebody here?
I don't know.
Yeah, fuck them if they are.
Oh, it's the mailman.
Ding, fries are done.
You know he's gonna fuck up something. Hey.
I know. Pretty kitty, right? Okay, so you're gonna have to get intimate with me again.
God.
You love it. I don't want to hear shit.
Bend over, bitch.
Okay. So, I don't know how easily this is seeable. Okay, you're good, but you're okay.
Is that my penis, or am I happy to see you?
No, that was my rib cage.
Sorry, wrong hole.
I know, right? Okay, so here we go. All right.
At least you don't smell.
This is true.
Yeah.
I was trying to put this piece down here
Yeah, in the hole.
in the hole
Yes.
right there. Mm-hmm. And it wasn't giving us enough room.
This is way too much cuddling.
I know, right? But I love it. You're all warm and fuzzy inside.
This is.
So when I put it to where it's supposed to be,
Yeah.
right there,
Yep.
and I lock it in place. Mm-hmm. With that piece, see the notch?
The chingaders, yes.
The notch goes around. Let's see if we can do this. That notch on the cable.
I'm trying to get
See if we can. There we go. Okay, that's got a notch in it that goes that. And then this goes around it to lock it into place. So we have tension on the cable. What did Scottie do? Tried to put it at the beginning of the hole.
Yeah.
So I was basically just trying to shove the tip in. And it doesn't quite work that way. As much as I've tried many, many times with multiple different human beings.
Just the tip is just an excuse.
Yes, just the tip is just an excuse to put the whole damn thing in.
We know this.
And one of us is going to enjoy it. I'm just not quite sure which one.
Not me.
So, that being said, now that we've got it properly into place, and I did lose a nut, go fucking figure.
Well, you had 3, so now you're normal.
Well, who wants to be normal? I like being different. But the dashboard swallowed a nut. Somewhere
Sounds
up in...
like my ex in the bathroom.
No, that's... Was it you that did the push and left the stains upon the cushion with your footprints on the dashboard upside down?
Oh, my God. Don't sing shit like that when I'm kind of cuddling you. You're a little spoon right now. This is
I know,
weird.
right? This is different. Normally, I'm the big spoon. So, I got to find a nut to shove it in the hole.
You're a little spoon that has to find a nut.
I know, right? So that I can tighten this up.
Usually a little spoon receives the nut.
Well, not always.
Just saying.
You know, there's so many different ways you can do things.
Oh, my God. This is such a horrible...
So, I did grease your shaft. And it's so much nicer.
Don't make noises like that when I'm forced to spoon with you.
Why, are you gonna get a mahogany?
It's more like the fucking cheap plywood at Home Depot in the scrap bin.
One drop of water and it's fucking ruined.
Balsa wood.
Okay, well,
God.
we went way off topic on this one, but the front cable is in. It'll be a couple times adjusting it to make sure that it does the brakes properly, but we'll get you back together.
Can we